Alright, better get some grinding done. Let's go. Well, the frame's out. Wasn't the most graceful. You can see the top window beam was put in when it was built, no doubt. It was supporting as a lintel. I managed to put my modern Aldi one in. Job's a good one. From the inside again, gonna have a little clean up side of the brick. You can see the lintel there. The whole lot above, every time I was levering with the crowbar, pulling out the window frame, it was lifting all the roof. These cracks are old. I haven't created those. There's an original wood lintel under there, so I'm not worried about that side. It was just the outer brick, and it's all crumbly. The frame wasn't even screwed in anywhere. It was just literally tenoned into behind the brick on the top and bottom beam. So they've obviously been in since it was built, I assume. It must have been, unless they took the bricks out. But yeah, let's get the new one in. I just got to grind up my drills, a couple of my drills every time I go through the alley framework and smash into the masonry. It plays havoc with me HSS bits, so I've just got to whip through these. It's not been a bad morning. Got one in. Hopefully you can see that. I got a trickle vent on. Just got to tidy up a bit. This one's going to need a bit of expanding foam. Some light oak or honey oak trim maybe, or wood. I'm not decided yet, but I certainly need, if I just go outside, I certainly need a bit of trim. Just in the nick of time by the looks of it. Started raining again. Tell we're in UK. Yeah, I've just got up the top you can see the alley lintel. We had to do the same thing on this one when I did these. You can see I've got a bit of trim siliconed on to hide the alley lintel. That brick actually fell out when we did this one. Yeah, you can see the original wooden frame. acted as the lintels, but obviously they can't support that on the PVC ones. Right, love you and leave you.